Welcome in, everybody. It's KTK97 here with another Beyblade Chozi unboxing. For today, we have the Balance Type Hell Salamander 12 Operate. It was Suo Beyblade. I don't remember if I'm saying that correctly. I'm watching Beyblade GT right now, so I got a whole new list of names that I got to remember how to say. So, and we are going to be getting those next week, most of them. I'm still trying to find an Imperial Dragon that I can buy, but beyond that, let's get back to Hell Salamander. So this one actually has a mold change gimmick within the Beyblade Chozi. One of the, I think this is the only Chozi Beyblade that actually has like the mold change with that goes to attack to defense. I know the other ones have mold changes, like Achilles has mode changes, but this one's like the layer changes itself. Like, I don't remember any other Chozi layer actually changing. You guys can correct me on that, but I don't think we actually have any other mode changes when it comes to the layer. Like, he's the only one I actually remember. Why is 12 so light? What? Dude, this has like no weight. Like, that thing shut up. So I believe the mold change, you actually have to, you have to, I believe this, this is defense mode right here, and then when it's like this, it's the attack mode. And you put that little thing down there, locks it into place. But for the purpose of this, we're going to use both modes actually in this video. So let's see how much he actually weighs. I will say I do like the colors on Hell Salamander. It's just different. It's just different shade of like almost like magenta or like, I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it's a deep shaded pinkish purple. So like deep magenta, something like that. Like, I like the color scheme. $21.1. Yeah, that's heavy for that. Yeah, 16.5 for operate. Like, hold on. Yeah, like, why is this so light? What? Am I? Hold on. I'm not tripping. Yeah, one is heavier than this. This is Buster Excalibur's one. Or one the upgraded one from Buster Excalibur. Yeah, 12 is literally Bro, what's going on? You might have to put a better disc on that to actually make that better. So this is operate. This moves actually. How do I make it move? It's like, yeah, this. So it has, when you put it up here, it has attack up here and then defense down there. Don't know how to make it move just yet. Oh, you gotta lift up on it. Okay. And then, so you lift, push, and then push down. Or you hear the click. Oh, I guess for defense it doesn't actually push back down. Because this part pushes down when it's on attack mode. Okay, but this is operate. Let me actually get operate's weight on there. Oh, zero that out. $7.1. For a grand total. Oh wait, and it's a left spin. I'm sorry, this is a left spin beyblade. I forgot to tell you guys that Hell Salamander actually spins to the left. 44.6, but most of its weight is in this layer. So I guess that's what they did for the trade-off. They put it all in this layer for the weights, but that's me. That's wild. He's over here wild. So he got a lot of stickers put on, so I will see you guys back in a minute. There we go, Hell Salamander fully stickered. So for the purpose of this, I'm gonna send him against Longinus and Chozy Achilles. No, Longinus and Emperor Fornius. Just because I don't think he actually ever got to face Louis like he wanted to. I don't think Suo ever actually got his max against Louis, but I'm gonna check that because I don't remember it happening. Because I know he wanted to, but he lost against Fubuki and Emperor Fornius. So definitely will have him go against Fubuki and hopefully win this time to go face Louis. So we'll be right back.
Welcome in, everybody. This is KTK97.
Oh my god, she stole my thunder. Alright, so welcome back. We'll be doing Hell Salamander versus Emperor Fornius, and then Hell Salamander will get his debut against Bloody Longinus.
So if you're saying it's debut, it's going to be sad if he's going to get first. Just wondering.
3, 2, 1, let it rip! Okay, I'm gonna change this mode. Struggling changes his boat. Can't change his mode now. There we go. There we go. Say. Okay. Three, two, one, let it rip! You are not doing too well, but at least win one. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Alright, so he did not get the win against Emperor Cornelius. Alright, next match. Here, you use him.
Who's this?
That is Hell Salamander. Just left. I gave you a left spin button. And then I'll use Bloody Longinus. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! You picked.
Oops. Wrong way. I always forget left.
3, 2, 1, let it rip!
That's not where it was supposed to go. I think I moved that out of the
3, 2, 1, let it rip!
It's hard for me to do the left ones.
Huh?
It says it's hard for me to launch the left ones. Try this.
3, 2, 1, let it rip! Did y'all see that jump from Hell Salamander? What is that? 2 to 2?
2 to 2.
The next person who picks it wins. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh, Hell Salamander actually beat Bloody Longinus! Alright, guys. You know what? He can get a third match. He can get a third match. Let's see. He also went against Screw Trident. 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
We should have like the ultimate one, and just like every single day you have, just go and have a tournament.
That would be shark heads right now. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Now you're felling me?
I would just like to put out Toka should have won that whole match between him and Salamander. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
That was his way out. Like, it didn't even spin, it just went boing, boing, boing out. Like, what the fuck?
That's crazy. Alright guys, so that was Hell Salamander. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. This has been Killer King 97 and Bugsy. We'll see you guys
That
in
was
the next
more
one.
like Hell Rabbit, not Hell Salamander. Just saying.
Go to baywarehouse.com and use my code KTK97.
Get 10% off.
And we'll see you guys.